Good evening, my beauties, and how are you tonight? Today I got in the mail a Glossybox. So far I have several makeup subscriptions, and I have a couple of different other ones, a couple of cat ones, you know, different things. I want to start diversifying a little bit, just to let you know that I canceled my BoxyCharm, the regular one, but I kept the premium. So I still will be getting those. But I wasn't really that crazy about the last box, and the past couple have really disappointed me a little bit. So I canceled that one. Now, the Glossybox, I was thinking about canceling. So this box is going to determine if I'm going to keep or cancel this subscription. We shall see. I will put the last Glossybox video up there. So let's get started with our Glossybox. This is nice. Well, I don't know. There's a card in here. This is a beautiful box. Look at that. Wow. And there's a card on top. It says Velvet Eyewear, and there's a coupon code. Ooh, $25 off. Well, that is nice, I gotta say. I will most likely use that. And there's a box. Again, I love it when there's a box inside a box. And I think all the glossy boxes do that, because I put my makeup in them, and I have a whole bunch of glossy boxes. But they usually look like this. They're usually pink, just plain pink. So this is nice. Look at how pretty that is. This, let the sun shine. Of course, personally, I try to stay away from the sun. I work at night. I kind of prefer clouds. I'm a little weird, I guess. But that's me. When the sun's shining, I'm going, ah! Hurts my eyes. So, anyways, this is beautiful so far. So let's see what's inside this beautiful box. Okay, they do package these things very nicely. I really have to say that I have to keep this one, just because look at the way they package everything, and the boxes are so useful. I think I'm going to keep it just for that. But I did still get rid of the base BoxyCharm. But I'm thinking maybe Birchbox might have to go as well. I'm not sure. It will depend on the next Birchbox. So far I like this. I love being able to actually unpackage and open things. That's very nice. The companies that just kind of throw them in like they gave it no thought whatsoever drive me crazy. So we've got our card. And of course, this has all our products in it. We will look at that as we go. Even the inside of the box top is nice. Now compare this packaging to, check out this video right here and compare the packaging. Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I know it probably doesn't mean much to most people, but I don't know why, but I really like the ones that are packaged really pretty. It aesthetically pleasing, and I'm an aesthetic person, so the first product is Thermale. Thermale. It looks like this. I think it's in some sort of a spray can or something. I'm not really sure what it is yet. Ooh, this is actually an extra. Nice, nice. Thermal water, packaged directly at the source in the French Alps and filled with mineral salts. This skincare water is just what you need to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. Oh, I like water with salt in it. salty water, like being at the ocean. Not really. Not 100% sure what you'll use that for. Suppose, you know what, when you're hot, you know, you missed yourself. That's what it's for. I'll have to bring it to the barn with me. Whoo, do I get hot when I'm working around the barn, cleaning my horse's stall. I still got to get a fan. Whoo, because October 2020, I lost everything because the barn he was living in back then burned down, and I lost everything I owned, including a very expensive industrial fan. And I have not been able to afford to replace it. The next item in this pretty box is Aveda Nutri Plenish. And that looks like this. Aveda Nutri Plenish. Oh, it's a conditioner. Leave-in conditioner. Oh, I love those. Shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage with this 98% naturally derived formula. Awesome. It's $12. Mineral bath salts. Unfortunately, we don't have a bathtub in this house. But that's a nice product. Mineral bath salts. I wish I had a bathtub. I so wish I had a bathtub. But a long time ago, the bathtub was just... So a long time ago, it was taken out and only a shower stall was put in. So... Unfortunately, I do not have a bathtub. And the next thing we have, and that the mineral bath salts are $20. Okay, and the next item we have looks like this. Nuit Polaar or Night. Nuit Polaar. Okay, Polar Night Revitalizing Mask. Not in the pamphlet. I think that they switched something. It shows in the brochure, it shows a sunscreen. Watching my videos, they know I'm a nighttime person. It'd be a 50 sunscreen. Instead, I got the Polar Night. They gotta watch. They must be watching. And then we have two more products here. We have Earth Harbor Anti-Pollution Youth, oh, another Ampoule. I got one of those before. This is what it looks like. It says Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule, unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily skin stressors. And it comes in this very interesting looking bottle. There. Like that. Which I think looks like it should be sitting on the shelf in a laboratory. This will, I'm sure, help skin whether you're a tanning person or not. I mean, I don't, like I said, I don't go out and tan. But I think that's going to be really nice. And I can use it because I don't need a bathtub. Don't we love this? This is a nice box. Well, of course, there is something on here that is not in the box. Brow gel. Right here, Pierre brow gel. Which is not in the pamphlet. It's supposed to be this product right here, which is not in the box. So that's the Glossybox, and well, it would have been nice to get some of this stuff. I would have actually liked to have this one instead of that, but that's okay. It's brow gel. I have several brow gels. I'll pick out which one's the best. Of the card, the gift card, which is nice. And then we've got this. This is a nice product. The anti-pollution. That's good. Pollution's everywhere. And then of course we have the Polaar, which was not in the brochure. Leave-in hair conditioner. I like. And some mist for when it gets hot, which in 2 days we are having a heat wave. So I don't have my air conditioner in yet, but it's going in soon, very soon. So, okay. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more unboxings and also some surprise videos, some surprise things that I'm going to be doing, I have some mystery boxes coming. That'll be interesting. So yes, I'm going to do mystery boxes and different things like that. And let's see what we can have together. Well, anyways, subscribe, and I hope to see you here soon. Remember, stay beautiful.